Hello everybody, welcome to Backbone.js tutorial. My name is Mosh Hamedani and I'm going to be your personal instructor for a little while. In this course, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step journey to learn Backbone from novice to a level that you can add that to your resume and start using it in building real-world applications. No prior knowledge of Backbone is required. Only basic understanding of JavaScript and jQuery is required to take this course. This course starts really easy, and then with each lecture and each assignment, we gradually increase the complexity in a baby step fashion. As we get close to the end of the course, we're going to cover more real-world challenges, such as unit testing and modularizing your application. I'm also going to share with you lots of tips from my professional experience as a web developer. These tips are not necessarily about Backbone, and they are to make you a better web developer. I'll talk about clean coding, object-oriented programming, usability, productivity, best practices, HTML, CSS, and a lot of other things. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the discussions area. I'm here to help you. I hope you enjoyed this course, and I'll see you in the next lecture.